Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you half swipe on Snapchat. So firstly, open your Snapchat application. So once you open your Snapchat application, so if you want to open a chat but without sending a notification to the sender that you've read the message, so what you can do is you can use a half swipe method. So for example, what you have to do is you go to click on the message that you want to read but you don't want it to be officially opened. So for example, you can choose this one. So what you can do is just slightly tap on it and then swipe to your right, not all the way to your right, okay, just almost to your right, but you don't want to do it all the way to your right because then it will be officially notified as read. So you can just drag it and leave it. So again, so you just have to slightly tap on the message and then drag it to your right, so like that, and then you'll be able to read it. You can read it and then you can just let it go, and this will not trigger any notification. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.